Ano yan, Peach? Ikaw nagbuhat. Wait lang. Kaya mo na? Oh, very good. Careful. Oops. Wait lang. Tandaan, careful. Good job naman si Peach. Nagbibili ng water. Siya nagbuhat? Wow, nagbili ng water si Peach. Oh. Very good. Good job. Galing ni Peach, ah. Good.